A savanna is a rolling grassland scattered with shrubs and isolated trees. They are also known as tropical grasslands. Savannas are usually located around the equator, and they occur in continents such as South America, Africa, and Australia. This season of Survivor will be filmed in the Sahelian Acacia savanna. The African elephant is one of the largest animals on Earth. They live in the savannas and central areas of Africa. They have long trunks, thick tusks, and large ears. African elephants are close to extinction because of hunting and the need for ivory, which is what their tusks are made out of. The elephants are mainly in Africa, but few species are located in Asia. Some adaptations they have are that their tusks have grown shorter as a response to hunting for ivory, and their ears are especially big to help the elephant cool down in the heat of the savanna.
The cheetah has light orange fur with black spots that cover its entire body. The cheetahs like dry and open grasslands where they can pick up speed to catch prey. They also like it because they blend in easily with the environment.
Koalas are tree-hugging marsupials with big, round ears and black, oval noses. They are an iconic symbol of Australia and Africa. Like kangaroos, koalas have pouches in which they carry their newborns. Koalas spend most of their time sleeping and eating. They are often called koala bears, but that is incorrect. Koalas are not bears at all. Both animals are mammals, so they are distinctly related. However, koalas are more closely related to kangaroos.
The black mamba is a type of snake that lives in the savanna. They have an olive to gray skin color and can be up to 14 feet long. Their adaptations include their speed, venom, and body features. They are the fastest land snake in the world.
The baobab tree is a large tree that bears edible fruit and leaves. They are located in the savannas in Africa and a few desert areas with good precipitation. These trees are located almost completely in Africa, though they are starting to be transported to other countries for their resources. They have adapted by soaking up all the water they can when it rains, then storing it in the dry season for when they need it.
This tree has stiff green branches that grow upwards towards the sky. And this type of tree is spread across the African savanna, but is very common around the equator.
The river bush willow is a type of tree found in the savannas of Africa. They are 7 to 12 meters in height and have pale gray bark that is smooth. It can also be yellow-brown. It produces flowers and fruit. Their adaptations include a hydrophilic root system, thick bark to resist forest fires, and leaf drop during dry periods to conserve energy.
The single gum acacia is small to the average-sized thorn tree of the African grassland savanna. It can grow up to 20 meters tall. The leaves are a gray/green color. The flowers are yellow or cream-colored and grow on spikes just above the thorns. These flowers turn into seed pods about 8 inches long and 2 to 3 inches wide. The single gum tree can go through long periods of drought. They usually grow in sandy places where there is a small amount of rain each year. The single gum tree gives shade and shelter for animals of the savanna. It also provides food for animals such as antelopes, giraffes, and elephants, which eat its leaves. Birds also make their nests in its branches.
Contestants on this season of Survivor will have to be cautious of almost all animals within the savanna. And some examples of this are lions, cheetahs, hyenas, scorpions, venomous snakes, and stampedes of zebras, wildebeests, or antelope. The temperature in the savanna varies between the rainy and dry seasons. The biome usually has a range of 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, or 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius.
The average rainfall per year in the African savanna is around 20 to 40 inches. There has been cases where there has been a higher amount of rain, such as 50 inches.
There are many threats to the savanna biome, most of which are caused by humans. They affect the environment by hunting or poaching animals. Humans also pollute the savanna and cause habitat damage.
Forest fires are also a big problem in the savannas. They happen regularly and are beneficial to some organisms, but not so much for others.
Other threats to the African savanna are drought and heavy grazing, desertification, and global warming.
In order to win the Baobab Reward Challenge, the contestants will split into 5 groups of 3 and try to get at least one of their team members up to the top of the baobab tree south of their campsite. Once up the tree, they will try to collect as much fruit at the top of the tree as possible within the time limit of 1 minute. Whoever gathers the most fruit will win this reward challenge. The team that gets the most fruit in this challenge will get a real lunch and a free time for relaxation the rest of the day.
Some supplies the participants will receive are some rope, a hunting knife, a basket, and other supplies they found within the environment.